You're watching Reality Check. Tonight we focus on the escalating controversy over allegations that the Ram Mandir Trust has ended up getting embroiled in a land scam in Ayodhya as they set out to buy land adjacent to where the new Ram Mandir is coming up. The allegation is that they bought the land at an inflated price. A deal that just took place at 2 crores 5 minutes later was bought by the Mandir Trust at 18 crores, a 9-fold jump. The allegation is also that there were BJP netas who were witnesses to both the deals, the 2 crore deal and the 18 crore deal, suggesting there was some kind of pre-planned nexus. Now, what you're seeing on your screen is an elaborate rebuttal put out by the Mandir Trust, claiming that in fact this is not a scam and that they bought the land at a reasonable price. But this claim is being challenged with both existing and fresh evidence which is emerging, which raises serious questions on exactly what happened in Ayodhya. So let's just first look at the Mandir Trust claim and break it down to understand what exactly are they saying. They're saying that the 2 crore to 18 crore jump is explained by the fact that previous deals on the land had to be settled. They said many agreements took place over the land since 2011 which never matured. They particularly refer to a September 2019 agreement to justify this 2 crore to 18 crore jump. They say that in 2019, a 3-year agreement was signed between Kusum and Harish Pathak, the original owners of the land, and 8 buyers to sell the land to these buyers for 2 crores. But on 18th March 2021, this year, the trust says that 2019 agreement between Pathaks and the 8 buyers was cancelled. And they say on the same day, 18th March, the Pathaks entered into what appears to be a fresh deal and sold the land to 2 buyers only, one Mr. Ansari and one Mr. Tiwari, for just 2 crores. On the same day, 18th March, 5 minutes later, the trust admits that they did buy the land from Ansari and Tiwari for 18.5 crores. That's at the rate of 1,423 rupees per square foot for 1.2 hectares. The trust says that they wanted to make an immediate purchase to not lose time, and they also claim that the 18.5 crore rate is less than the market rate. But there are a number of unanswered questions about this explanation. If the 2019 deal was cancelled on the 18th of March, why did the trust not buy land directly from the Pathaks for rupees 2 crores, as these 2 gentlemen did, the brokers? How can an old agreement argument be used if the 2 crore sale between the Pathaks and the Ansari Tiwari group was a new deal? And why did the trust then end up paying over 9 times for land valued at 2 crores just 5 minutes later? The statement also does not mention why the same witnesses were used for both deals. The Mandir Trust member Anil Mishra and the Ayodhya mayor, a BJP leader Rishikesh Upadhyay, were witnesses to both the deals that were done on the 18th of March. Now, there are further claims that the trust makes. They say that the circle rate of the land was just rupees 5.8 crores. But this raises another question. If that was the case, why did the trust buy land at over 3 times the circle rate, at 18.5 crores? And why would the Pathaks, the original owners, agree to sell at 2 crores if the circle rate itself was 5.8 crores? The mystery is further deepened with a new document which has emerged. Now, this raises more questions on the land deals. It says on 18th March, the trust bought land around the same size from the Pathaks for 8 crores. And so, let's put up a simple chart for you on the screen, and that will explain this confusion. That here's the Ram Mandir Trust that on the 18th of March purchases directly from the Pathaks just over 1 hectare of land for 8 crores. And then on the same day, it's buying land which is just a little bit more, 1.2 hectares, for 18.5 crores. And this, by the way, is all one contiguous stretch of land just carved into different plots which are being sold. So on the same day, you had 3 transactions over the same piece of land, but all at different prices. One at 2 crores, one at 8 crores, and one at 18.5 crores. All right, joining me tonight on Reality Check, we have with us Pawan Pandey, spokesperson Samajwadi Party, who's joining us from Ayodhya. He is the person who brought out this entire allegation. Sujata Pandey, political analyst, supports the BJP, is with us. We have with us Kartik Chopra, spokesperson Nirmohi Akhada. Remember, they are also part of this entire trust in a sense. And then there's Sharat Pradhan, of course, senior journalist, joining us from Lucknow. So, Sujata Pandey, explain this, because we've seen the very elaborate explanation put out by the trust, but as I just pointed out, it doesn't seem to add up. In fact, the trust is almost admitting in that explanation that yes, they did end up buying overpriced land. A 2 crore piece of land was purchased by them for 18 crores in just 5 minutes.
Okay, so I'll give you 4 facts, Srinivas, and probably that will put end to all the allegations being levied on.
Okay.
You just spoke about the first allegation, is that why did the trust not buy it directly from the owners? So that's
Right.
point number 1. If I'm
Yes, yes.
if I'm correct. So let me just tell you, talk about the prime agreement, which is the land originally belonged to Kusum Pathak and Harish Pathak.
Yes.
Whereas, and there was a sale deed done between the Sultan Ansari and Ram Mohan Tiwari, which is like a broker. And the Pathak couple had sold this land under an agreement done in 2011, 17 and 2019, where the land price was quoted as
No.
2 crores.
They had not sold it.
Once again,
They had
payment
not sold
time
it. No,
was given
right?
3 years.
We have already fact checked this. We have already just now. They had not sold it. They had agreed or entered into agreements to sell. Hold on. They had entered into agreements to sell, not just only to Mr. Ansari and to Mr. Shukla, but to a number of others. And each of those agreements was cancelled according to the Ram Mandir Trust's own admission. So each of those agreements was cancelled. So what they entered into with Tiwari and Ansari on the 18th of March.
I have seen the deep.
On the 18th of March, they entered into a fresh agreement, the Pathaks. It was a new agreement.
I'll tell you why.
On the 18th of March.
Because the payment period given by the Kusum Pathak and Harish Pathak to the Ansari and company, the brokers, was 3 years. Over the period of 3 years, it was agreed that they would pay the thing. So
Yes.
till 18th of March 2021, the land belonged. The land was between these Ansari. So technically, the land was what's already sold to the broker. So Kusum Pathak could
Again,
not have sold.
Mistake.
No.
The 2019, hold on, now you're contradicting what the Mandir Trust itself. The Mandir Trust claimed that the 2019 agreement was not between the Pathaks and Ansari and Tiwari. It was between the Pathaks and 8 buyers. The agreement on the 18th of March was only between the Pathaks and 2 buyers. In other words, the 18th March agreement was an entirely fresh agreement.
Sultan Ansari and Ram Mohan Tiwari, who is a broker.
Yes.
Okay. So
why were they selling the land to a broker?
From the owner.
What is the need to buy through a broker?
It was already sold to them.
They had not sold it to them. They had not sold it to them.
There is an agreement. I can show you the agreement as well.
Okay,
you're
now contradicting what the trust itself is saying. You're now contradicting what the trust itself is saying. But let me just bring in. Hold on. Let me just bring in Pawan Pandey. Pawan Pandey जी, ये जो आप कह रही है बीजेपी कि ये तो पहले से ही एक एग्रीमेंट हो चुका था, उसी को निभाने के लिए इन्होंने 2 करोड़ में बेचा.
नहीं, उसको निभाने के लिए नहीं बेचा.
जनता पार्टी के प्रवक्ता को अभी इस बात की पूरी जानकारी नहीं है.
Now let others speak. Yes.
कि कैसे क्या हुआ.
2010 से लेकर 2018 मार्च 21 तक कई एग्रीमेंट हुए और 18 मार्च 2021 सुबह ये जो 9 लोगों का एग्रीमेंट था ये कैंसिल किया गया. इस एग्रीमेंट में अंसारी तो थे लेकिन मोहन तिवारी नहीं थे.
और जब 18 मार्च 2021 को शाम को बैनामा किया गया तो उस बैनामे में रवि मोहन तिवारी और सुल्तान अंसारी दोनों लोग आ गए. जब दोनों लोग आ गए तो यह फ्रेश बैनामा हुआ. हम यही आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि जब आपको फ्रेश बैनामा करना था तो आप 2 करोड़ रुपए में ट्रस्ट को भी बैनामा कर सकते थे।
Yes.
आपने उस जमीन को फिर रजिस्टर्ड एग्रीमेंट 15 मिनट के बाद जो है 18.5 करोड़ रुपए की क्यों कराया?
Exactly.
दूसरा आरोप, जो अनिल मिश्रा ट्रस्टी हैं ट्रस्ट के, जब बैनामा होता है उस समय भी वो गवाह रहते हैं। ऋषिकेश उपाध्याय मेयर वो भी गवाह रहते हैं। उसके बाद जब 5 मिनट के बाद रजिस्टर्ड एग्रीमेंट होता है
Right.
उसमें भी ट्रस्टी साहब अनिल मिश्रा गवाह रहते हैं। तो मेरा तो आरोप है, क्या ट्रस्टी साहब ट्रस्ट और जो प्रॉपर्टी डीलर हैं उनके बीच में भूमिका अदा कर रहे हैं, सेतु का काम कर रहे हैं? क्या जमीन की खरीद
कैसे
फरोख्त
सेतु का काम
करने का
कर
काम
रहे हैं?
ट्रस्टी महोदय कर रहे हैं?
Okay.
दूसरी तीसरा मुद्दा,
ठीक है,
तीसरा
चलिए
मुद्दा है।
तीसरे मुद्दे से पहले
तीसरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक मिनट, तीसरा मुद्दा बहुत
पवन जी, पवन जी।
ट्रस्ट के लोग कह रहे थे, ट्रस्ट के लोग कह रहे थे हमने मार्केट रेट पे जमीन ली है, इससे कम
ओके ओके, इफ यू बोथ स्पीक, नहीं साथ मत, एक सेकेंड, एक एक करके लेट मी कम टू कार्तिक चोपड़ा, निर्मोही अखाड़ा, you are, as someone who's a stakeholder in this, you are also familiar with the geography of this entire story, the land transactions taking place. What do
No,
you
there's a
make of it?
correction.
Because-
We are
Yes,
not
go
privy
ahead.
to, we are not privy to any land transaction that the trust does. Our representative of the trust, Man Dinendra Das, is never involved in any transaction, never involved in any
Okay,
discussion,
but-
never called for any of the meetings.
Okay, but I'm asking you.
Coming to this land, first
Yes.
of all, this land is not immediately adjacent to the proposed temple complex. It is about 5 kilometers away. It is on a road which is between Terry Bazaar and the bypass, where there is a coal yard. It is opposite that.
Okay.
So this land, if somebody says this land is being taken to relocate people, that is not the job of the trust. Technically, that should be the job of the government. If you
Okay.
want land outside the trust, the precincts, or where you're going to build the temple, apply to the government, let the government allocate land to you for those purposes.
Right.
Our point is, do your proper KYC before you buy any land. It has come to our attention through the media that there are a number of other claimants to this land. This land originally is being claimed by some people that it was a Waqf land in 1924. And the original Mutwalli, instead of transferring it to the next Mutwalli, transferred it to his sons. Those
Right.
sons are the people, Noor Alam and others, who have cases against them, who have sold this land to Haris Pathak and Kusum Pathak, themselves who are suspect. Waqf board, UP Sundi Central Waqf board had made various notices to these people that you cannot sell this land, and this continued up till 2018. Suddenly by 2021, there is no objection from the Sundi Central Waqf board to any of these sales.
Okay.
So,
You're making
my point is something else. My point is that as far as the trust is concerned, this could very well be, I don't want to get into how the transactions were done, who did them, what was the value. The land itself has problems in it. The KYC has not been done properly of this land. There are a lot of other, there is past.
So you're saying, Karthik, this is actually.
It was to buy this land. There was no need to buy this land at this stage.
Right. And also you're making this is a new
The
twist.
brokers,
Right, once again.
who brought this land to the
This
trust
is
need to
no
be questioned. The brokers who
Yes.
brought this land to the trust, the Ansaris, Ravi Mohan Tiwari, and possibly the mayor need to be asked that why were you the mayor needs to be asked, why were you witnessing these two transactions?
Okay.
And what is the past history of this land?
No, in fact, you're bringing out a new dimension to it. You're saying that there's actually even a possible previous dispute to it with
And
some.
there is an existing case which is in
There is
some
an existing
junior court,
case.
existing case in a junior court in Faizabad on this land between the descendants of the Mutwallis to whom the land was supposed to go to.
So there are many questions
and
over
the
this
Pathaks.
land. So the question
Yes, and
arises
the land was
that
passed to the
why
Pathak couple.
why would something like the Ram Mandir Trust not be able to, I mean, forget the pricing, just find a clean, unencumbered or a land free of controversy. But Sharad Pradhan, overall, what do you make of this? Because we've seen the BJP coming out. Initially, they were saying the trust should explain. Then they've come out quite aggressively saying this is an usual attempt to defame, the Ram Mandir project, etc., etc. But if you just look at it on the sheer facts, it's a bizarre scenario where one contiguous plot of land is being sold on the same day for 2 crores, 8 crores and 18 crores.
No, it is
Vasu,
not.
that
It
itself,
is not.
is an illegal act. Under the laws related, the stamp duty rules, you cannot have two different rates on the same date. If somebody has done that, it is a gross violation of the Stamp Duty Act, and they are liable to pay a penalty on that.
In any case, you know.
But Sharad,
in
the
any-
dates are not same.
One
Please,
second,
Sujata,
one
let me
second,
come-
one second, just a second,
Another-
just a second,
Another
Sujata,
thing-
one second.
Another
Yes.
thing, Kastu, you know, when they claim
Yeah.
that they had this agreement to sell in 2011, and that is why they were honoring that that agreement to sell it at 2 crores only. That makes it very simple. Had that been, I suspect, and there is reason to suspect, that that particular document is been forged now. Because if it was a true document, it should have been found place in the final deed
Right.
that was signed. Because under the law,
Yeah.
you have to make mention of every prior agreement.
Yes.
And also the consideration paid. You have to mention, and the date and the mode of payment has to be mentioned.
Right.
That is the law. So all this shows that there is a huge scam. This is just the tip of the iceberg.
Right.
I'm sure a lot of people are involved in this. And you know why they even this is a very suspicious move of having the same guys to be signing as witnesses in both the deeds.
Right.
In the 3 deeds. You know why this happens?
Yeah.
It's very simple. You know, when you have to distribute
Yes.
a booty,
Yes.
underhand money,
Yeah.
then you don't want too many people involved in it.
Right.
जितने
Okay,
कम लोग
those
होंगे
are-
शेयर करने के लिए लूट का पैसा उतना आसान हो जाता है, कम लोग रहने चाहिए. So
Okay.
there is
Do you have
obviously.
any proof for what you are saying
Okay.
here?
One second. Now,
Yes, I have proof. Just one more thing.
you're very.
What this fellow, this the trust secretary, what's his name?
Champat Rai.
Champat Rai. You know, the BJP is, first of all, I find no reason why BJP should be coming in defense. Nobody is accusing the BJP.
Okay.
The guilt. Now, Champat Rai, ke bare mein, they have been saying that because the poor chap is unmarried, he's a sadhu, so he can't be indulging in corruption. Are they trying to say that men become corrupt only after getting married?
Okay. Okay.
The
We'll
women-
come to
women
that.
to blame.
No, 1 second. Okay. Okay. Sharad, you know, Sujata, the point
Completely
is.
out of context.
Sujata, the point is that, as we said, so far we were only aware of this 2 crore to 18 crore jump, same plot of land. Now, as we pointed out, fresh document is showing that the trust bought land same size for 8 crores, right next to the same
From
land,
the
directly
original
from the
owners.
Pathaks.
Yes.
So, 2
Yes,
crores,
because
8
then
crores,
there
18
was
crores,
no
all the
broker
same
involved
contiguous
in
land,
between
all on the
here.
same day.
Yes, but there was in one case you have a broker involved who's already owning the land. So any legal person will tell you that if the land is being sold to
The
you,
original
you know,
agreement was
no
cancelled,
third
ma'am.
person can come and
Original
buy
agreement
it
is not
directly
there.
from me because
No,
I
no,
sold
but
the land to you. And
Sujata,
in the
the
second
agreement
case,
was
Kusum
cancelled.
Pathak was already owning the land.
No,
Sujata
they
is
were not
absolutely
owning the
ignorant
land.
of
You're
fact.
repeating. I don't want to say falsehood, but you're repeating wrong information. The agreement between the Pathaks and 8 entities, 8 parties, I don't know if they're all brokers, the 2019 agreement was cancelled on the 18th of March. A fresh agreement was drawn up between the Pathaks and the 2 brokers, Ansari and Tiwari. That's the point. If you're signing a fresh agreement on the 18th, why are you selling the land to brokers? And why is the trust buying it from brokers? The trust could have directly bought it from the Pathaks. That is the point.
I'll again circle back to the same thing that this land was already in agreement with the broker. So
It
they
was
had to
not.
close the
You are contradicting what the trust has said in its statement that the 2019 agreement was cancelled on the morning of the 18th. That's the point. But anyway, the point is, Pandey ji,
And
ये
also,
कहा जा रहा है
just give me a minute. Give me a
Pawan
minute,
Pandey ji,
since
one
he was
second. No, I
asking
have
why-
given you a fair chance. I must get Pawan Pandey. Pawan Pandey, the fact is कि ये कहा जा रहा है बीजेपी को कि ये बेसिकली आप राजनीतिक वजह से कर रहे हैं, यूपी के चुनाव आ रहे हैं और आप वैसे भी राम मंदिर और उसकी जो सारी जो आस्था जुड़ी हुई है उसके अगेंस्ट आप बोल रहे हैं।
इस हिंदुस्तान में क्या कोई ऐसा शख्स है या कोई ऐसा प्राणी है जो ये कह सके कि ये राम के मानने वाले नहीं है या मानने वाले कोई सर्टिफिकेट देने की हिम्मत किसी
आपकी
में है?
पार्टी है।
मैं अयोध्या में
इनका
रहता
राइट
हूँ,
है।
अयोध्या का
इनका
ब्राह्मण हूँ,
कॉपीराइट
मेरे
है।
घर में पूजा होती है, भागवत होती, कथा होती है, क्या इसका
पर
टिकट
अखिलेश
सर्टिफिकेट
यादव
मुझे
तो
भाजपा
ऐसा
के लोग
नहीं
देंगे?
मानते।
मैं सनातन हिंदू हूँ, ब्राह्मण
एक
हूँ।
सेकंड
सुजाता,
प्लीज डोंट इंटरप्ट सुजाता, वन सेकंड, डोंट इंटरप्ट सुजाता, वन एट अ टाइम,
राजनीति के पूरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन जांच हो, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इसको कोई माइलेज लेने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता। श्री राम का मंदिर बनना
जिन
है।
लोगों पर राम मंदिर
One
बनाने
second,
की
Karthik,
अगर
one
कोई
at a time.
अगर
जिन पर
अगर
भगवान
Karthik,
राम
one at a time.
मर्यादा
Sorry, I don't want to
पुरुषोत्तम
silence
भगवान
Mike.
श्री राम के मंदिर को बनाने की जिम्मेदारी थी, अगर वही राम के नाम पर लूट करेंगे, भ्रष्टाचार करेंगे, आप बताइए 18 मार्च को आपने कैंसिल किया एग्रीमेंट, आप 2 करोड़ में बैनामा करा रहे हैं, आपने 2 करोड़ में क्यों नहीं ट्रस्ट को बैनामा करा दिया? 18.5 करोड़ में आपने कराया, आपने
Right.
16.5 करोड़ रुपए का गबन किया,
जी।
उसके बाद 8 करोड़ रुपए में एक बैनामा आप और कराते हैं। तो आप
Okay.
लगातार ट्रस्ट जो है हिंदुओं को ठगने का काम कर रहा है।
अच्छा, ठीक है,
130
एक सेकंड।
हिंदुओं को जो हिंदुस्तानी
Okay.
है, आपने उनकी आस्था के साथ और भगवान श्री राम के मानने वालों
Okay,
के साथ खिलवाड़ किया है।
Okay, Karthik, tell me,
आस्था के
now
साथ
the
खिलवाड़
deal
तो
is
आप
done.
करते आ रहे हैं।
एक second, the deal is done, Karthik. The money has been paid. The trust has ended up paying 18 plus 8, 26 crores for essentially a plot of land that was also valued at 2 crores. And the interesting thing, by the way, as you pointed out, the circle rate itself is just over 5 crores. You can have transactions above the circle rate, but
not below.
But 2 to 3 times above is quite surprising. But what? No, but Karthik, what's the way out now?
See, look, as far as the argument of circle rate is concerned, like Sharath was saying, you can buy above the circle rate, but you
Yes.
cannot buy below the circle rate.
Yeah.
Right? Number one. Number two, this land is far away from the holy site. It is not a critical piece of land to have acquired, and if there is a question mark over it, a full and complete investigation must be done. Everybody who is involved in this transaction, whether it is the Mr. Champat Rai
By whom?
or anybody else, should be done by an independent judicial or maybe a retired judge.
Right.
Somebody needs to understand what is the history of this.
Okay.
What are the other
Can I come
claimants?
in now?
Let there be a public. No, ma'am. 1 second. Let there be a public notice that
Okay.
in terms of any other cases that exist on this land, and this deal should be put on
Okay,
abeyance.
independent probe.
It should be put on hold.
Sharath?
It is not
Civic
necessary
judge.
to purchase this land today.
Okay, Sharath,
This land
tell me one
is a
second.
very-
If this
Sujata,
land
one
has
at a
been
time. One
wrongfully-
at a time.
and if
One at
this
a time.
land has been wrongfully represented and sold to the trust, then all those involved in wrongfully representing the
Okay.
bona fide of this land should be taken to task.
Okay, Sharad,
Yeah.
politically, is this becoming a headache for the BJP in Uttar Pradesh, where already now, you're somewhat beleaguered, you're trying to figure out ki wahan ke internal dynamics, trying to sort of reset after the entire corona episode. Is this becoming a political headache?
You know, it is bound to become a political headache. And the way they are jumped into it for no reason. They could have easily kept quiet, and they should have said that, okay, we are going to punish those people who indulged in violation of laws. But now it is becoming a political issue, and BJP has found it convenient to preempt everything
Right.
by raising this, by accusing everyone who's raising any question, red flags on this issue, that's anti-Ram. As if to say that Ram is their exclusive right. They have
Okay.
a copyright to Ram. So, this is just
But
a
Sharad, being a journalist,
Okay.
don't you look at
Devoy
the
Akhada has fought for
Not
500
raising
years
questions
before
on
any
it?
political party existed. We want
Okay.
the temple of Bhagwan Shri Ram to be
Okay,
constructed
okay.
at
Last
the
word,
earliest without
Sujata.
any
Okay,
politics.
Karthik, 1 second.
All
One at a time.
political parties
One at a
choose
time. One at a time. One at a time. Sujata, very short on
I
time.
told one more thing.
One second. We're very
I
short on
think one
time. Yeah. Sujata, would you agree that the best solution, as Karthik suggested, just have an independent probe by a judicial level probe and, let the facts come out? What is wrong with that?
Because actually, it's
Not a
already
retired
been
judge, please.
been
Not a
told
retired
that
judge.
all the documents will be produced, and whoever has a doubt can go and check. See, these articles.
No, why not have a probe? Are you okay with the probe? Why not have a probe?
See, I am not a party representative.
No, but I'm
as
saying
a
in
citizen of
principle.
India, I would want.
In
I
principle,
don't
would you
see
support the idea of a
no, I
probe?
don't see the ground for allegation. Also, what Karthik just said, he must know that this land belonged to the railway station, and according to the Ram, the architecture,
Railway
they want
station?
to make a
It is
gate.
it is
You know,
a
these
coal yard
are
over there.
like
The
the
land
entry
is
points
opposite
at the
side of the
city.
road.
So
It is the
this
opposite
land
side
was
of the
a
road.
strategic location, So you can't say
It
that,
is-
oh,
it is
why
next
this
to
land was
opposite
bought.
a coal yard.
In that
It is
case,
not
this
near
is
the main railway
nothing but a
station.
political agenda, And these are the same people who had opened fire on the Car Sevak. These are the same people who said that not even a brick will be lifted on the Ayodhya.
Who
These are
is-
the same people who would said that the army
Who
would
on
be,
this panel is
would come
fired,
on the
opened fire on
Ayodhya.
the Car Sevak?
Oh, Mulayam Singh Yadav, you don't remember, Srinivas?
No, but Mulayam
That
Singh
is why,
Yadav.
ma'am, we are saying that there should
Yeah.
be no
Mulayam Singh-
politicization of this issue.
Yes,
Nothing should come in the way of temple
one who sings
construction.
Hanuman Chalisa
Temple
in Delhi
construction
and
must
does all
continue.
This in
Okay.
Uttar Pradesh. When
But
people
all
are
doubts
watching.
need to be laid
All
to
right,
rest.
too many people speaking at
आज
once.
इन लोगों ने भगवान के नाम पे किया है कि
ओ।
पूरी दुनिया शर्मसार हुई है।
अच्छा जी, ठीक है।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश के
पर
बाद
आपके नेता भी तो
इतना बड़ा
हनुमान
फैसला आया
चालीसा
था।
पढ़ रहे हैं ना।
चलिए देखते हैं क्या होता है. We'll have to leave it there. We're short on time, but thank you all so much for joining us. Important new information on this is coming out every day, and so perhaps a probe may be the best way to set the record straight. But thank you all so much for joining. Thanks for watching. Good night.